Asics is a Japanese corporation which produces sportswear. The name is an acronym for the Latin phrase Anima Sana in Corpore Sano. Products manufactured and marketed by Asics include footwear, sneakers, sandals, clothing, t-shirts, jackets, hoodies, swimwear, compression garments, pants, socks, and accessories, bags, backpacks, caps. Asics began as Onitsuka Company, Limited on September 1, 1949. Founder Kiichiro Onitsuka began manufacturing basketball shoes in his hometown of Kobe, Hyogo Prefecture, Japan. The range of sports activities serviced by the company expanded to a variety of Olympic styles used throughout the 50s, 60s and 70s by athletes worldwide. Onitsuka became particularly known for the Mexico 66 design, in which the distinctive crossed stripes, now synonymous with the company, were featured for the first time. Martial artist Bruce Lee helped popularize the shoe. Onitsuka Tiger merged with fishing and sporting goods company GTO and athletic uniform maker Jelenko to form Asics Corporation in 1977. Onitsuka was named president of the new company. Despite the name change, a vintage range of Asics shoes are still produced and sold internationally under the Onitsuka Tiger label. Asics generated 171 billion yen in net sales and 13 billion yen in net income in fiscal year 2006. 66% of the company's income came from the sale of sports shoes, 24% from sportswear, and 10% from sports equipment. 49% of the company's sales were in Japan, 28% in North America, and 19% in Europe. Asics bought the Swedish outdoor brand Haglöfs for 1 billion Swedish krona, $128.7 million, on July 12, 2010. In March 2017, employees assembling Asics products in Cambodia fainted due to thick smoke present in the factory where they were working. The company responded to this by saying that it, along with the factory in question, would address specific measures, with a focus on workers' awareness and health and safety training, as well as including an improved air ventilation system. In March 2021, while several Western clothing brands expressed concern over allegations of forced Uyghur labor involved in Xinjiang cotton production, Asics announced that it would continue to source cotton from the region.